In this video, we'll learn how to deal with missing values or scores in a data that is continuous in SPSS. Very often when data are collected, some of the scores or the values are missing in a variable or in a data that is continuous, and the way to deal with missing value is to replace the missing value with a parameter for measuring that continuous data, which is the mean. In most cases, the mean is considered as the parameter to use. So missing values or scores in a continuous data can be replaced with the mean for that data or that variable. So this is one of the options to deal with missing values. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to the channel, leave any comment in the indicated box, and activate the notification bell to receive the recent and latest release into the channel of several different video clips, and click on the like icon and share the video link with others so the channel can expand and improve to include a large scope of different statistical method and how to analyze data using several different statistical packages such as SPSS, Excel, Stata, Jamovi, RStatistic or Statistics, GraphPad, Prism, GPower, Python, and RevMan. Here in this SPSS data view, I have inserted 4 variables. Those variables, as we can see here, if we click on variable views, they all are scales. They are all continuous data, and as shown here, some values or scores are missing in each variables, and the way to deal with this missing values is to replace them with the mean for each variable. But first of all, let's look at the descriptive for or the description for these 4 variables by clicking on Analyze, then scroll down to Descriptive Statistics, click on Frequencies, reset this, and then untick Display Frequency Tables, and then select the 4 variables, drag them into the box for variables, and then tick on Statistics, select the mean as we want to determine the mean as a central tendency for that variable or data. Click on Continue, click on OK. A table is generated for the 4 data or 4 variables showing the missing values in each variable. For the first one is 11, the second 17, the third 9, and the fourth 12, and the mean is calculated for each individual variable. For the first one is around 44.7. and the way to deal with this missing values in the variable is to click on Transform and then scroll down to the replace missing value or values. Click on that. I'm going to reset that, and that new window, there are methods to use for replacing the scores or value, those missing values or scores, and I'm going to select the method by replace missing by series mean, and then I'm going to select the variable, drag it to the new variables, and a new name is given for that variable, as there will be a new variable generated and any missing values are replaced by the series mean. If I click on OK, a table is generated showing that there are 11 missing scores, and these missing scores were replaced with the series mean for that variable. And if we look back again on the data view, the new produced or generated variable called data11, for every missing value here in this cell, it has been replaced by the mean, which is 44.7, and for this missing also value replaced by 44.7. so this is which the 44.7 is the mean for the variable data1. So this is the way to deal with and replace missing values or scores in a continuous variable by replacing the missing value with the mean for that variable or data in SPSS. If you are a student or a researcher and you have a data, whether it is quantitative or qualitative, and you want to perform statistical analysis on that data using any of the softwares listed here, whether it's SPSS, Excel, Stata, Jamovi, RStatistics, GraphPad, Prism, RevMan, GMP, Python, then do contact me to arrange for either a one-to-one private tutor session or a training course on any of these statistical packages. My contact details are given here, so don't hesitate to write to me or email me if you need a private one-to-one tutoring or a training course.